The NCPA annual convention has always been the premier event where you can discover ideas to help you bring in new revenue for your pharmacy business. And this year is no different considering convention will be virtual. Expect to gain expertise from community pharmacy innovators and learn about pharmacy trends during business education sessions from wherever you are. Roam the virtual expo at your leisure. View exhibitor tech demos and product videos. Chat with exhibitors and get immediate answers to help you streamline your workflow and optimize your business. Bottom line, NCPA is making it easy for you to access ideas to refine and grow your pharmacy business.
How convenient!